How to fix PS Plus required error in Call of Duty Modern Warfare and Warzone. Here's how to fix PS Plus required error in Call of Duty Modern Warfare and Warzone. 1. Check and relog into your PSN account and see if your PS Plus has become expired. 2. Ensure you're using only one PS account on your device. 3. Restore all licenses for your own PlayStation Plus account. 4. Restart your PlayStation and/or router. If the above mentioned PS Plus required error persists, contact COD support and/or PS support for more info.